Welcome to Botier Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to manage hashtags of your products via CMS. Please note that CMS is only available for Business Plan and Business Plus users. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, log into CMS by using your Botier email account. Then, in your homepage, look for the Manage Product Hashtag tab at the top of CMS. Click on it. On the Manage Product Hashtag page, tap on the Create Hashtag button to create a new hashtag. Firstly, insert your hashtag name. Please note that you can create a maximum of 30 hashtags for your online store. Next, select the products that you wish to add to the hashtag. Once done, click Create. Moving on, arrange your hashtags. Hold on the hashtag and reorder your hashtags by dragging up or down. You can also edit your online store hashtags. Select on the hashtag that you wish to remove and click Delete Selected. A pop-up window will confirm your action. Click Yes. Once satisfied, you can check on the display of hashtags in your online store. Click on your store URL and you'll see the hashtags on the top of your online store. Your products will be displayed under the hashtags that you had created. With that, your store is now set. Download Botier now on Google Play Store or App Store.